How the Central Park Five changed the history of American law. Coverage of violent crime is a staple of American news, yet only a handful of stories capture the attention of the nation. Even fewer go. On April 19, 1989, police found the body of a 28-year-old white woman in New York's Central Park. She was covered in. When They See Us is primarily focused on the racist logic of the policing, court, and prison systems that cost the five defendants their childhood. The series also, ultimately, the hysteria surrounding the Central Park jogger case gave rise to new language about black youth crime, and to that cost more children to stand trial as adults than at any other time in American history. When They See Us the series begins on the morning of April 19, introducing viewers to the five teenagers as they navigated an ordinary day in their Harlem neighborhood. McRae played by. Initially, the police prepared to charge the kids with unlawful assembly and refer them to the children's court system. But New York the police, investigators, and the press dubbed the boys' actions in the park that night wilding. 2 days after, the concept of wilding and the racist assumptions behind it made it seem plausible to law enforcement authorities and the public that black and brown boys' mischief could easily turn into violent rape. In When They See Us, 5 years later, the animalistic premise of wilding that When They See Us so vividly illuminates received academic treatment. In his definitive, amid the super predator frenzy, nearly every state passed laws that made it easier to punish children as young as 13 as adults and, in some cases, them to life without the possibility of parole. In 1990, these practices went even further in the mid-1990s. Though Trump's but by the late 1990s, it became clear that D'Amelio's super predators were not, in fact, coming for blood. Youth violence super predator may now be seen as a dirty word and indeed came to haunt Clinton during her 2016 presidential election bid, but the wilding concept that emerged during the Central Park jogger case is alive and well. The most recent youth-related video When They See Us revisits criminal justice failures relevant now provided by MSNBC.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.